good evening. This is for today's video. Magluto ako ng aking ulam dinner with lechon paksiw with ketchup. Please watch this. This is my cook. I'm cooking with lechon baboy paksiw with ketchup, sweet and sour with sugar. Yummy. My sudan ulam for today. This is my today's video. Thank you for watching.